Hello! Today is Friday. Happy Friday!
Hello everyone, and in a few hours we're going to start celebrating.
Look at this guy!
I got some flowers, but we had a bit of a disaster. Somehow this fell off in the car, I got no idea. No.
Naputol daw, but it looks so pretty!
Oh,
As in, sobrang ganda ng kulay. Good job, my love. You did a great job. Look at
There you go.
that!
There you go. Yeah, nice and pinks and
I know!
all that sort of stuff, so no, it's cool.
Very nice.
Nice and girly.
Gelly.
Nice and girly.
And then he's got more. Meron pa daw marami. Balloons?
Balloons and backdrop.
Backdrop.
The,
Oh, so we will be decorating.
a little bit.
Yeah, okay. Why are we celebrating? Wait, tell them.
I told you, Rachel's going to get 1 million. She's on 998 something something.
No, 7 something. 99877.
986. Okay.
Something. Yeah.
So tomorrow
Yes.
it's going to happen.
Thank you.
Right.
Very pretty. Very pretty
Thank
flowers.
you. They are the flowers.
Yeah. Oh, you look good as well.
Thank you.
Come on, let's check out what you have.
Just did the music your brothers do. What music do they do?
Is that how they walk? I don't know the music. I'm gonna ask Mark. I will. Alright, what do we have here?
Balloons. Hopefully none of them burst.
Oh,
Do you know what though? The
What?
number one is pretty much sold out everywhere.
really?
It's like really hard to get.
Really?
Yeah. So
Maybe a lot of kids are turning 1.
Yeah. So it's like a really hard number to get it though. They said.
Thank you.
I went to. Oh.
Oh, careful, Mal. Oh my gosh, that's big, babe. Why did he get a really big one?
No, they.
Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. You didn't have to do this, babe.
I did.
No, you didn't.
It's cheaper than a bracelet.
Ang tagal na niya akong tinatanong anong gusto ko regalo. Sabi ko nga, ayoko na regalo. Noon kasi nagpaplano siya, bigyan niya ako ng Chanel na bag. Sabi ko, uy, ano ba yan, uy? Aksaya naman ng pera. That's not how they do it. They do it very naturally. Yours is different. All right, what else? Number 1. Oh, look. Careful, my love. Oh, thank
It's not even
you.
the same colour because you can't get that. Like,
That's okay. That's fine.
I said, oh, well, it's not the end of the world. I wasn't fast. I said, that's the worst thing that happened to me today.
Is there more?
There's another balloon as well, Mama.
Okay, so we will like keep walking one by one.
It's up to you. You
That's
can
okay.
speed this up.
Yeah, it is a different shade, but that's okay. Oh, that's fine. You can't even tell.
No, it's not that different. And
Yeah.
then at the backdrop as well.
Thank you.
Alright.
Walk again. Good job. Are you happy?
It's Friday, of course.
I know, it is Friday. Naglilinis ako ng bahay. Hindi sana ako magbablog ngayon kasi sabi niya bukas daw. Ngayon pala meron. What else?
Go get that drink?
Yes. What's that? Aww.
You're the best.
Thank you, my love.
That's alright.
You're gonna make me cry.
Oh, Jesus. No cry.
No crying. That's beautiful. Thank you, my love.
That's alright.
You didn't have to do this.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
So I'll just put that across there. So you can...
That, yeah. Bumili pa talaga siya nito. Good job. Thank you. Akala ko sabay kami bibili nito. I thought we're buying it together.
I knew that we wouldn't have time.
Okay.
Because
Well, that's long.
Long.
It's long. Does it have the sticky tape already?
I don't know.
If not, that's fine. We will just tape it to the metal.
The house is sold. We paid for the bloody thing. I was trying to work out how. So I got you two of these.
Yeah.
Let's tape it up now, babe.
Lagay na siya, guys. Good job. Thank you. Tinape lang namin siya dun sa ano.
I don't think cut it.
Sa metal.
Like that.
Don't cut it? Okay.
No, like that, then.
Alright. Yep.
I reckon
That's fine, yeah.
Is it like a gold?
Do we have balloons? Like loose balloons that we can use just to put down there?
You know, but we can get some.
Guys, we're getting ready. Malapit na. Malapit na. Right now, it's... Nakikita ko kasi siya sa Creator Studio ko, sa phone ko. And currently, it's 999,961. Kanina nung pag-check ko, 928. Mabilis siya. Wait sa, ilagay ko lang yung camera. 1 second, my love.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
How cool is this? A million.
Thank you for doing this, my love.
That's alright.
This is good. We thought it's gonna be tomorrow. Dan told me, oh, it will reach 1 million tomorrow. But it's going really quick. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
So much. As in sobra. Thank you so much.
You deserve it. Razel is the most hardest working YouTuber. Fantastic. She does so much effort to bring the vlogs to you. I hope you enjoy them. And lots more fun ones to come.
Thank you, guys.
What are we at, my love?
Sobrang bilis ha. Kayo na talaga. 999,969.
Wow.
Okay, so while naghihintay, meron tayong mag-giveaway.
Are you going to announce the giveaway now or later?
We can announce the first set of giveaway.
Alright, you can do that.
Yeah, while waiting. So, Yes Style. Alam niyo naman yung Yes Style, binibigyan nila ako ng voucher every month. And they're one of the companies that I love working with kasi I actually use their stuff. Like, you guys see yung mga outfit ko galing Yes Style. Skincare ko galing Yes Style. They have makeup as well. Pero, hindi ako actually humingi sa kanila kasi kahit na I work with them, nahihiya pa din talaga ako. So, sabi ko sa kanila, bibili ako ng voucher sa inyo. Gagawa ako ng 1 million giveaway. Pero sabi nila, no, wag mo bilhin. Bibigay namin sa'yo. So, Yes Style is giving away 50 USD vouchers. So, 10 winners ng $50 voucher, guys.
And how do you win, my love? What do you have to do?
I will leave the information in the description box. Again, meron tayong 2 sets ng giveaway. That's the first set ng ating pag-giveaway. We're almost there. It's 999,982 at the moment.
Good job, my love.
It's crazy! Sobrang bilis niya. As in, sabi talaga ni Dan bukas. So, hintayin na lang natin yung countdown ha before namin i-announce yung pangalawang set ng giveaway. 985.
It's like slow. Come on, 15 more people.
15 people, come on!
God, 1 million. Wow, my love.
That's a lot of people.
I've been here since 5,000, so...
I remember texting you, or actually you texting me that, hey, you reached 5,000. This guy reminds me of my milestone before anyone else.
Oh,
You do.
thanks, my love.
You do it. Yeah.
Yeah, you're the best.
Oh my gosh, 999,991.
Oh, and I even got raised a little balloon that says,
Yeah.
"You're the best. She is the best."
Thank you.
Oh, my little emotional butterfly.
See, I told you, we shouldn't be doing this. Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ganito kasi naiiyak ako. Visit eh.
Alright.
999,996.
Oh, 96.
Oh my gosh! Alright, let's start watching now. Ano, grabe. Ang daming tao nito ha. Grabe na talaga to. Oh my goodness.
It's gonna happen any, one. Oh, she's gonna cry. More tears. Scroll down, my love.
Oh my god!
You done it! Good job, my love. Mwah. Well done. She's hit 1 million and 5.
Yeah,
Wow.
but not there yet.
Let's get it going here.
Oh my gosh.
Focus, focus, focus. Update, update.
Come on.
Good job, my love.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you for all the subscribers and everyone that support Rachel over the years.
As in, thank you, good. Grabe. Sobrang.
And I reckon your best videos are still to come. I
Yeah.
reckon all the family vlogs. They're gonna be good.
1,014,000 people. Hala.
Hala.
Oh, that's my. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Social Blade is still.
We're still waiting for social play. That's alright.
Thank you, guys. Alright, let me just get my ish together and we will announce the second set of giveaway. But
Let's announce the other giveaway.
yeah, we will announce the other giveaway. So
We can put that here. Just keep it on there, my love.
okay. Okay, so the other giveaway, 10 winners again. 10 winners, 5,000 pesos each. Now, hindi talaga namin sure kung paano to gagawin because gusto sana namin ni Dan na yung makareceive ng 5,000 is yung nangangailangan talaga, especially now na may pandemic. Now, may mga ginagawa ako na hindi ko pinapakita kasi yung ginagawa ko is nagtatransfer lang naman ako ng pera, so hindi ko siya binavlog because it's not vlog worthy. But this is one way of like, pasasalamat na din at sana makatulong din tayo sa mga nangangailangan talaga during this tough time. So, kung meron kayong alam na sobrang nangangailangan talaga ng 5,000 pesos na yan, I know it's not a lot, pero we are doing that so we can like spread it out to 10 people at least. Sabi namin ni Dan, siguro like kung meron kayong kilala na kailangan ng tulong na yan, pwede kong i-transfer sa inyo tapos kayo na bahala magbigay sa kanila. Or, you can also have it if you want, you know? It doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Whoever wins will get 5,000 pesos. It's up to you kung anong gagawin mo dyan sa pera na yan.
How do you transfer the money to?
PayPal.
PayPal.
PayPal, guys, ha?
You need PayPal.
Yes, kailangan natin ng PayPal para mabilisan yung transaction kasi alam naman natin na close yung mga bagay-bagay and ayoko namang i-risk yung pamilya ko na lumabas para mag-money transfer. So, sorry kung wala kayong PayPal. Kung gusto nyo sumali tapos may kakilala kayo na may PayPal, siguro like contact your kakilala. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin pero mas madali lang and mas mabilis ko siyang magagawa kung PayPal kasi nandun na yung pera, itatransfer ko na lang siya sa inyo. I will cover the fees of the transfer as well. So you will receive like 5,000 clear. Yes. So again, 10 people will win that and again, it's up to you what you wanna do with the money.
If you want to send it back to us, we'll take it and we'll cover the fees for that as well.
We'll cover the fees back to us.
Just kidding. Enjoy it, spend it, and
Yeah.
buy something for your family.
It's up to you
Yeah.
how you want to spend the money.
Yeah.
I know it's not a lot, but I hope it helps.
Yeah.
Yun! 999 pa din siya hanggang ngayon. Hindi pa din siya nag-move. Let's check again. 1,049,000 already. Still not moving. Let's refresh it again real quick. Nope.
Nope. Come on.
Again, yung rules ng giveaway, ililive ko sa description box. I hope it's not too much to ask, but if you could subscribe to the Utols and Sissy, please do. But it's not a requirement. Still kidding. I'm just saying, like, kung gusto nyo lang naman. But kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanila, okay lang din. You will still win.
Support the family.
Yeah, again, yung details ng giveaway will be in the description box, ha? Yung code ng Yes Style will be code coming from me kasi nga, ibibigay ng Yes Style sa akin. Ako mismo magbibigay sa inyo. And for the 5,000 pesos, it will be coming from me personally as well. I-send ko din sa inyo. Hindi iba yung katransaksyon nyo, ha? Ako. And thank you again, guys, so much. As in, araw-araw ako nagpapasalamat. Hindi ako magsasawang magpapasalamat talaga. Hindi ko na siya sinasabi sa vlog lagi kasi this is what happens, you know? And we don't want this every day. So, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
And thank you so much as well, my love.
Mwah. Come on, Mommy. Let's get the refresh.
Still not doing it.
I love it.
Are you happy?
Yeah, it's good. Oh! Yay! Good job, Alma.
Oh, that is so good to watch.
1 million. Good job.
Yay!
Now Rose will get to fly. Now you get to fly.
Yay!
Good
Thank
job.
you guys.
Thank
Thank you.
Good
Kung
job.
hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi tayo aabot ng 1 million kasi sino ba naman? Alam nga naman aabot ng 1 million kung kami lang dalawa na nakasubscribe. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
That's a lot of people.
That's a lot of people. That's freaking unbelievable.
That's a million people.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.